Kung di pa kayo dyan nakasubscribe sa aking channel, mag-subscribe na kayo. So 62 Paga Vlogs, just click the notification bell para could you be the one?
Could you be the one? Question number 1. What is the upper quartile of the set of data 4, 4, 8, 8, 10, 12, 15? Here's the solution. To find the upper quartile, which is Q3, you are going to use the formula 3 times n plus 1 divided by 4 is equals to 3 times 7 plus 1 divided by 4 is equals to 3 times 8 over 4 is equals to 24 over 4. Then the answer is 6. So here's the set of data, meaning the sixth term will be starting here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So meaning the sixth term is 12. So therefore here in question number 1, the answer will be Q3 equals 12. So 7, we got 7 here. Just count the number of set of data. So the total is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will replace n equals 7. Next, question number 2. What is the lower quartile of the set of data 4, 4, 8, 8? Here's the solution. 10, 12, 15. The formula Q1. When we say lower quartile, we are referring to quartile 1. Is equals to 1 times n plus 1 over 4. Or you can remove 1 here, with or without 1, it's okay. Is equals to 1 times 7 plus 1 divided by 4. Then 1 times 8 over 4 equals 8 over 4, then equals 2. So which means the second term in the given set of data. So we have the second term is 4. Therefore, quartile 1 or Q1 or the lower quartile will be equals to 4. Question number 3. Find the IQR of the data 15, 18, 20, 26, 30. What do you mean by IQR? IQR is the formula that we are going to use is IQR equals Q3 minus Q1, meaning upper quartile minus the lower quartile. So from that, we are going to solve first for Q3. So this is the given set of data 15, 18, 20, 26, 30. So meaning the value of n is equals to 5. So Q3, Q sub 3 equals 3 times n plus 1 divided by 4 equals 3 times 5 plus 1 over 4 is equals to 3 times 6 over 4 equals 18 over 4 equals 4.5. Then for Q1, by the way, 4.5 is located somewhere here between 26 and 30. Then let's solve also for Q1. So Q1 equals n plus 1 over 4 equals 5 plus 1 over 4 equals 6 over 4 equals 1.5. So 1.5 is located somewhere here between 15 and 18. Now, to find IQR, by substitution, we have now 28 minus 16.5 equals 11.5. So the answer here is 11.5. Where did we get 28? So all you have to do is just add 26 plus 30 equals divide by 2. So the answer is 28. Then 15 plus 18 equals divide by 2. So the answer is 16.5. Then once you get the answer here, replace to Q3 and Q1, then you will get 11.5. So that will be your answer for IQR. Question number 4. Find the range of the data set 5.42, 2.55, 44, 76, 88, 3.2. So if we are going to find the range is equal to the formula highest score minus the lowest score. Then this is the given data set. So the highest score is 88, then the lowest score is 2.55. Now, by substitution, we have now 88 minus 2.55. So the range is 85.45. So this is the answer. Alright. Next question. Number 5. How many ways can a club select a president, vice president, and a secretary from a group of 8 people? You will notice that here there's an order already. President, order of position, vice president, secretary. So you are going to use here the formula for permutation. Order matters. Okay, the formula NPR equals n factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial. And then by substitution, we have now 8p3 equals 8 factorial over 8 minus 3 factorial equals 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial equals 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we are going to cancel this, okay, starting from 5 factorial. So what is left is 8 times 7 times 6. So the answer is 336. So this is now the answer for this question. Question number 6. How many ways can you arrange the letters in the word Mississippi? So here is the solution. The formula that you are going to use is P equals n factorial over A factorial, V factorial, C factorial, ellipsis. By substitution, we have now 11 factorial. So where did we get this 11? So just count the letters here in the word Mississippi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that will be your numerator. That is the n. Then how about 4 factorial? So that is I. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of letters that are alike. So 4 factorial. The other 4 factorial is for S. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 factorial is for P because there are only 2. Then after that, solve it. So this is now the solution. 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then in the denominator, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 2 times 1. So the answer now is 39,916,800 divided by 24 times 24 times 2. Then we have 39,916,800 divided by 1,152. Then the final answer here will be 34,650. All right. Next question. Question number 7. In how many ways can you arrange 10 people to be seated in a round table? So take note, this is a round table. The solution will be P equals n minus 1 factorial. Then substituting, we have now P equals 10 minus 1 factorial because 10 people. Then equals 9 factorial. So 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we have 362,880. I hope this review can help you in answering the exam. Thank you.